Right, we're now going to find the following integral. Integral of e to the x cos x dx. It's a little bit of a strange one. So the integral of e to the x cos x dx, u dv by dx dx, if we let u be equal to e to the x, and du by dx will be the same, e to the x, differentiating that. dv by dx will be cos x, and if you integrate cos x, you get sin x. Writing out the rest of the formulas, uv minus integral of v du by dx, so that's going to be e to the x sin x minus the integral of v times du. V times du will be e to the x sin x, or sin x times e to the x. We'll just write it back that way, and we'll have to stop there and call that equation 1, and we'll need to repeat the process to integrate this. So whatever you made u here and dv here, you must do the same here. So the integral now of e to the x sin x dx, again using u dv by dx dx, u is e to the x, so whatever you made u here the same, so du by dx will be e to the x, dv by dx will be sin x, and if you integrate sin x you get minus cos x. So this will now become using uv minus the integral of v du by dx dx, so uv, that will be minus e to the x cos x, minus minus will become plus the integral of e to the x cos x dx. Right, we've actually got back to what we started with, so we seem to have gone around a bit of in a circle here. So we got back to what we started with, so we haven't really got very far by trying to do integration by parts. However, let's persevere. If we now substitute this into this equation 1, so it's going to be minus all of this, we now get the integral of e cos x dx is going to be equal to e to the x sin x. Now be minus minus, so plus e to the x cos x, and minus times a plus will be minus e to the x cos x dx. So just writing that out again. Now we're now going to do something a little bit crafty. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and make them 2e to the x cos x, and that's now e to the x sin x plus e to the x cos x plus c. And then the integral of e to the x cos x dx, which is what I originally wanted, will be equal to e to the x over 2, e to the x coming out as a common factor, brackets sin x plus cos x plus c. So there's a little trick being done here to give us two lots in order to work out the integral. So that sometimes can happen. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.